Whether you have a small business or want to better manage your organized home, this quality label maker will help you print nice, clear labels in a matter of minutes. When you receive your neatly organized box with the label maker and its components, you can begin the user-friendly setup. Begin charging your label maker. Load one of the provided rolls of labels, download the app, connect your label printer to the app by pairing it to your device. Start printing! You can easily change spools in a jiffy, and there are a variety of label sizes and label colors from which to choose. To get a jump start, the printer software comes with some pre-made templates you can customize to suit your purpose. Conveniently make your own barcodes or QR codes with the software, or drag previously created codes into the program and send them directly to the printer for a readable barcode every time. Free software updates offer new features. Bluetooth connectivity means more than one person can create labels, so you can efficiently work together. There's also an internal rechargeable battery using the micro USB cable. I've tried several label makers over the years, and this is a very versatile mobile printer. As a portable thermal label printer, I'm so pleased with this multitasker I plan to use for years to come.